DJ Messina here, DREC Construction Services here at our Chino project, and we passed our underground inspection, and now we had to put sand and gravel and the vapor barrier down, as you can see. So it's a 12 mil vapor barrier and then a layer of gravel underneath of that they require, and then a layer of sand that they require, and then now we're installing the rebar, which is number 4 rebar. So you can see the size here of it. Sorry about that. Number 4 rebar. They give us a specific size, and the rebar is going to go that way, and then the rebar is going to go that way. This is Friday, and we have inspection on Tuesday at this location for rebar, and then the following Wednesday, or the Wednesday after we have inspection, we are going to be pouring our concrete. So I'll get you a video of pouring concrete. So DREC Construction Services at our Chino project, attached 500 square foot behind the garage ADU. Hit like and subscribe. DREC Construction, DJ Messina. Thank you.